Round Dezzy. Infinite vibrations.
Zero Robin.
I've faced different demons. Yeah. Yeah. Broken mirrors, reflections showing me different demons. All us for different reasons. Niggas hate. What is love?
Yo, what's up, Fast Forward Garage? Today I'm going to be gutting my cat on my 2014 Mazda 3 2.0 liter. Let's get it. This is what it sounds like with the resonator delete and going from 2.5 up to 3 inch all the way from the cat to the back of the car. It's not a cold start, but this is what it sounds like. Now I'm just letting it warm up a little bit more before I actually rev it. Alright guys, we got the car up in the air, up on some pieces of wood. I'm hoping there's enough room under here for me to sneak under. We shall see. All we had to do was unbolt the 2 nuts holding it to the rest of the exhaust and take it off the little rubber hangers, and we were able to drop it down freely. I have it sitting on a piece of wood so we wouldn't pull the O2 wire too much. I didn't have the tool to get it out, so we had to work around it, and we made do. Alright, let's see.
Look, it almost hollow.
Yeah, dude, almost there.
I mean, we could push it up there and turn it on. You can blow it out.
Yeah, we could try that.
Just to see where we're at. Give me a better idea, too. Right. Come on. There it goes.
Nice. And then those 2 nuts are above your head.
Above me head?
Yeah.
Nuts above his head?
Yeah, he's got nuts above his head.
A little small, though.
Yeah. I guess I could leave that off for now.
Huh?
We'll connect the little rubber pieces.
Yeah, because we're not done yet.
Yeah.
I think we still got the bottom half. I'd be surprised if I got it all. Yeah, that's just one big piece. And like, you can put it in a bag and take it to them. It's because they will take it. Because all they want is the middle. They could care less for the metal. I don't know why they want it so much, right? Huh? Do you know why they want it so bad? I remember looking it up, but I can't remember off the top of my head.
I want to say it's because they can't mine it as much as they used to. So they're trying to reuse it.
Damn.
Okay, so they're recycling it.
Yeah. At least that's what I've seen.
say? I think it needs. Yeah, it's still in there, but depends on. Yeah, it still needs some more. It's too big.
Too big.
I got a piece sitting up in the other end, like up in here.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed. I know some of you might not like the way my car sounds, but that's too bad. It's my car. I'm gonna do what I want with it, and I'm just gonna have all the fun in the world. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.
Different
Peace.